Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to present my research under the title The Inquiry Collaborative Learning Design Virtual Laboratory Based and Remote Virtual Laboratory. But first of all, let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Wilda Susanti, and I have 4 people in this group. As my team, Gusrio Tendra, Arden Simeru, Rangga Rahmadian Yuliandi, and Johan. Okay, now let's move to the introduction. In the 21st century, it is required to have skills to master various skills, including critical thinking and problem solving, collaboration, communication, and creativity and innovative. The framework of learning skills needed in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 implicitly include digital literacy skills. Remote laboratory development supports active learning with inquiry and collaborative learning strategies. Students can develop personal and interpersonal skills, communication, and collaborative work in teams. Collaborative experiment in TIC as a technology Informatika dan Komputer is intended to encourage students to do their own learning through inquiry and to collaborate on problem-solving skills. Critical thinking will arise from social interactions between lecturers and between students and other students. In addition, learning styles and basic human abilities are important factors for growing critical thinking skills. The method of the the research development procedure adopted from Borg and Gall was adopted into 4 stages. There are 4 stages for this method. The first one is analysis of learning needs, and then early product development. It is develop research product designs by conducting learning designs, and then expert validation and revision. This is conducting focus group discussion or FGD to validate product designs, and the last one is small scale trial that is task limited to small groups. So the following is a grid of instrument for analyzing the needs of students and lecturers. The first table is about grid of students need analysis instruments, and then the second table is about analysis of lecture response needs, and the last table is instrument validation grid. Okay, the result of this research, network topology for virtual lab and remote lab. The computer in the laboratory are connected to the client-server network. The server computer is on the lecturer's computer, and the computer in the laboratory is a client computer. Utilization of net support is needed to connect between the server computer and the client computer. For the lecture's room, the connection to the laboratory uses a switch with the same IP. Meanwhile, at home, the connection to the computer laboratory uses an IndiHome modem, and remotely the server computer uses the TeamViewer application with the TeamViewer ID. Furthermore, there will be a learning process through inquiry collaboration. So there are 7 steps of inquiry collaborative learning. The first one is goals and motivation, information presentation, identification of problems, forming an online discussion group, and then inquiry process, and establishing new knowledge, and the last one is evaluation. So to see the effectiveness of the design and models used, their effectiveness is measured based on discipline, cooperation, discussion, and responsibility. Here is the table of the effectiveness of the design and models used. Well, from this research, it can be concluded that based on the result of the study, it was found that the design of a virtual lab-based and remote lab-based model with a collaborative inquiry learning model can improve student experience in practicing skills in discipline, collaboration, discussion, and a sense of responsibility. This learning design has been validated by experts. The results of the practicality of the design and learning model are declared valid and practical. So this model can be recommended for programming learning by designing computer lab connected with the net support. So that the lecture's computer can be used as a server computer to act as a controller of the client computer in the computer lab. Yeah, I think that's as the presentation from my thing. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.